Hey everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to unfollow someone on IMVU. So let's get started. Begin by launching your IMVU application. Now tap on your profile icon. Then select following option. Now select the person that you would like to unfollow. Then tap on the following button. And if you are sure, tap on the unfollow button. And this is how you can unfollow someone on IMVU. Thanks for watching Web Solution. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.